Project number 6. Star, delta, forward, reverse, motor control. Hello everyone. The following circuit diagram focuses on the connections of 3 input push buttons and 4 output contactor coils to a typical PLC. We would like to develop a PLC program to transition from star to delta configuration in a 3-phase motor based on the following conditions. Pressing the start right push button activates both main right and star outputs simultaneously. After 6 seconds, the star output switches off and the delta output turns on. Pressing the start left activates both main left and star outputs simultaneously. After 6 seconds, the star output switches off and the delta output turns on. On the other hand, pressing the stop push button deactivates all of the outputs. Safety measures prohibits the simultaneous activation of main right or main left and star or delta outputs. To change the direction, we must first turn the motor off and then change its direction. Why we need to stop motor before changing its direction from forward to reverse? If the motor is spinning in the opposite direction when we apply a reverse direction, the initial current will be extreme, as high as 20 times the full load current. We risk tripping the motor, and if the current is extreme, we will damage the motor contactors or the motor overload relay. What happens if we run motor in a star connection? One of the reasons why star delta starters are used is because of the less starting current in the star connection stage, which provides less starting torque and puts less mechanical and electrical stress on the system, thereby increasing its duration of life. Now let's go through the pre-written ladder relay control program for the project and see how it meets the project's requirements. In this program I have 4 outputs: main R, main left, star and delta coils. The control program is consisted of 4 lines of code and 3 input push buttons: start right, start left, and finally a stop push button to control 4 outputs. My outputs are main R, main left, star, and delta. I go ahead and turn on the program and tap on start R. Notice main R and star first turn on, and after 6 seconds delta turn on. I go ahead and stop the circuit and tap on start left. The same happens. This time main left, star turned on. After 6 seconds delta kicks in. I stop it and tap on Start R, push button this time. Notice the same process happens. This time, first main R and then a star, and after 6 seconds, delta contactor kicks in. I go ahead and stop the circuit again. And this time I tap on Start Lift. After 6 seconds, delta kicks in. Notice that while this is happening, I cannot change the direction. I have to stop it again, and this time I turn it on by clicking on Start R, but notice again I cannot tap on Start Lift and change the direction. I have to stop it. And now when I start on Start Lift, again I cannot change the direction neither. Notice I cannot change the direction right now. It doesn't work. I have to stop it first, as I do, and now I go ahead and tap on Start Right. And again this time, notice that I won't be able to change the direction by tapping on Start Left. I have to stop it again. And this time, tap on Start Left. The project is successfully tested on a virtual S7-300 PLC using Schematic Manager software. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.